This is a PM120LT, 120 metric tons of punching capacity with 510 millimeter of throw. It's a single station machine dedicated for punching. The control is quite simple. So this is the main brake. You have to be in the off position to open the electric cabin. That's a transformer and relay, fuse, terminal block. So everything is very neatly arranged. The machine meets the CE safety requirements. So this has to be turned back on, pump on, let's pump off. The normal and jog requires a key. Normal is to perform the punching. The jog is for tool alignment, which I'll explain a little bit later. The machine comes with a working table with X and Y back gauge and a working light. The gauge has the bearings on both sides. So once you loosen the handle, you can move the gauge quite easy with one hand. The stripper, which protects the operator, has an interlock limit switch. So under the normal mode, with the stripper open, the machine will not move. It has an exchangeable plate which should match the size of punch. The nut is loosened with a spanner, and then there's a quick change sleeve which you take down the hand like that. The thigh, loosen that and just pull it out. In the back there is a limit switch that sets the upper limit, and that's the lower limit. About the operation, when you press down the foot pedal, you move down, let go halfway, you stop. Now continue going down. You can stop anytime at the center. If I open a stripper, because of the interlock, it will not go down. However, when I turn it to jog mode, it will come down at a slower speed but low pressure. This is for tool alignment. And when you let go, you will stay down. So this is in jog mode. You can see that when it reaches, you will not be able to punch through.